What's up, YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy back with another video, and in this episode I have something a little bit different. This is the Keychron K1 version 4 RGB aluminum body. This is my very first mechanical keyboard, so you know what we got to do, right? I'm gonna get this thing unboxed. We're gonna check it out together, and I'm gonna tell you what I think. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Blah! Alright guys, so this thing here has low profile switches. It has dual compatibility with Windows and Apple products. It is also wireless and wired, so you can use it either way. The wired version is USB Type-C, which was very important for me. You are able to pair 3 separate devices. Now I'm just going to use it with my PC. It has a 2000 milliamp battery, which should give you around 1 to 2 weeks of usage. And it is built with an aluminum body, has RGB lighting. So that is the specs. I had put a request out there on Twitter because I couldn't find a USB-C RGB with blue switches and 104 keys. It didn't exist, at least in my Googling. I Googled for like 3 days trying to find this thing. So I put a request out there. I threw a $50 gift card out on Twitter. My guy at Furcon_SMZ, he found it in like 2 minutes. It's crazy. Anyways, mad props. Thank you, sir. Mucho appreciated. All right, I'm ready. Come on, come on. It's almost there. I'm gonna look first. Styrofoam. All right, you guys ready? I'm ready. I'm excited. Oh, I can't really see it now. It's plastic. Come on. Wow, this has got heft to it. Ooh, check it out. So you got USB Type-C right there. You know, USB Type-C, everything. So you got your A to C cable, got some extra keys. This is to pull the keys off. This is a key puller tool, so you can swap out your keys, get started, instructions. It has like a whole bunch of different programmings for different RGB colors. Let's hear how it sounds. Sounds nice. I like the key travel, that's for sure. It's nice and short, but clicky. Man, this is cool. This is cool. I'm excited. What do we got here? We got some buttons back here. We got Bluetooth switch or cable switch. Right here, it says Bluetooth off or cable. And then you can put it in Windows/Android mode or Mac and iOS. So for me, I want to use this thing via Bluetooth. Ooh, it's lighting up. It's lighting up. Can you guys see that? That's pretty dope. I'm gonna need it in Windows, Android mode, because you know, this is pretty cool, guys. This build is solid. I mean, it doesn't flex at all. That's pretty dope. You know, the only thing that I wish it had was something to tilt it up, but maybe because it's so low profile, I won't need it. Now, there's supposed to be a way to change the lighting. Let's see. That's off. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera very good. Lights are going each row. You guys see that? That's pretty dope. All right, guys, so this is it. The Keychron K1 keyboard. This is a version 4, their latest one. It has compatibility with Android, Windows, Apple computers. Personally, I'm gonna use it on my Windows PC, the custom build that I made. So yeah, my first mechanical keyboard. I'm surprised I'm behind the times, but I am. I'm excited. And that's it. All right, guys, I'm Dave the Phone Guy. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, for the love of God, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace!